And how is your child doing now?
He's doing good.
All right. And why are you letting them play this stupid game where they're putting talcum powder and he's hitting this gentleman on the back of the head? Why were you allowing that in your house?
I didn't know my son was going to do that.
Hmm.
I didn't know.
Mm-hmm. You should not be allowing that. There is a reason. And while you were out, I told everybody this. There is a reason why you don't have children playing sports with adults, because they can get injured. You don't see Pop Warner football team playing college players. You know why? Because they can get injured. Your children need to behave as children behave. And you shouldn't bring anybody in your house who's going to roughhouse them and hurt them in that way. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything you do not understand?
Are they, so in other words, he is getting...
No, in other words...
I mean, I wanted to drop the charge.
The charges are not getting dropped. Mm-hmm. What you should be concentrating on is, instead of what's happening to him, you need to start putting your children first, and you're not.
No, I do put my children
first. No, you do not.
Okay, ma'am. Let
me ask you this. If you put your children first, why are you letting somebody with his history come live at your house?
He wasn't living at my house.
Mm-hmm. No, but wasn't. You knew him, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
And you told the police you barely knew him. That's what's in the police report.
Okay.
You're not putting your children first. And if you don't put your children first, you know what's going to end up happening? You're going to have another CPS case, and you're going to have somebody else looking after your children, and who knows what will happen. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You're excused. All right. I'm finding you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to 13 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Daniel Lopez and Sylvia Lopez. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And it would probably be in your best interest. Do not get involved with people who have children until you have your life in order. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
And you're an adult. You should know better than to start playing these type of games with a young child. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is never appropriate in the situation that you were in to discipline somebody in anger, because it sounds like you were angry because he put talcum powder on his hand and then hit you at the back of the head. So that's not appropriate. You understand?
Can I say one thing here? No, I'm sorry. No, I wasn't.
There's a lot of no's going on from your counsel. I think it would probably be best for you to listen to them, because they went to law school, and there's a reason they're telling you no. Right? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Because
this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And I see there's a previous affirmative finding of family violence. All right. Good luck to you.